How to set up LinkedIn profile for job search. Setting up our LinkedIn profile for job search connects us with potential employers, showcases our professional experience, and increases our visibility in the job market, making it easier to land our dream job. Now here is how we are going to do it. So say for example, this is the profile of mine. I'm just going to go ahead and click me here at the top, and we're going to go ahead and click view profile. Now after doing that one, you're going to go ahead and optimize your profile. So you can just go ahead and click the edit button here, and then you're going to go ahead and edit all the necessary details in here. So for example, very important, this one here, the position. So the position, the industry, the education, these are very important. Now you can just go ahead and close that one once you're done customizing everything. Now after doing so, go ahead and click this one here, open to, and then you're going to go ahead and choose between the following, whether hiring or providing service. So I'm going to go ahead and choose providing services and click continue, and this time I'm going to go ahead and write the service that I'm going to provide. So click this one here, and we're going to go ahead and look, say for example, video editing. There you go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click done. Now you can go ahead and maximize and add more services in here. Now another thing is this one here, go ahead and give them a description about your service. Now for the work location, you can go ahead and click Philippines, and then if you're available to work remotely, click this one as well. Now for the pricing, this is very important. Now you can go ahead and write your own price here, or you can go ahead and click this one here in order to personalize the pricing according to the services needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and click save. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and click no thanks for now. Now another thing is this one here, you have the services, you have the activity. You can go ahead and create a post. So if you are, say for example, like me, who is into video editing, you can go ahead and post your own portfolio in here. Now for the experience, this is very important. Go ahead and click the plus sign here and go ahead and add position. It is very important that you are going to go ahead and write all the experiences or work experience that you have. So for example, these are mine here. And for the skills, of course, very important. Interest, you can go ahead and basically click this one here to show all companies that you are interested in or to follow them. Now you're going to go ahead and click your profile here at the top, and you're going to go ahead and click settings and privacy. After clicking settings and privacy, you're going to go ahead and look for notifications. So down here you will see notifications. Go ahead and click that one, and then go ahead and click searching for a job. So this is very important. Allow job search notifications. You're going to make sure to enable this one. Basically what will happen is that if there are job recommendations for you or something that matches your profile, you are going to receive them in your Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, I have a lot of emails here regarding that same position or regarding the positions that fits with my LinkedIn profile. I can just go ahead and say click this one here and go ahead and click see all jobs in order for me to see them myself. After doing so, I can go ahead and apply to them directly from LinkedIn. Now after doing that one, you're going to go ahead and click the jobs here. Now in the jobs, you have here the preferences. Go ahead and click this one, and then you're going to go ahead and click this one, open to work. You're going to go ahead and turn this on, otherwise you're not going to receive some messages. Another one is the job alert. Go ahead and click this. Now here in the job alert, you're going to be notified with these following in here. So in my case, I have here freelance video editor. Basically anything that has a word freelance video editor job is going to appear here on my Gmail. Now another thing is the college lecturer, teacher, English teacher, and so on. Now you can go ahead and add more if you want to. You can also click this one here in order to receive top job picks for you. So go ahead and click done. Alright, and another thing is your resume. So go ahead and click this one here, and you're going to upload your own resume from this point forward. Another thing is this one here, save resumes and application data. Make sure that is enabled. Another one is this one, share resume data with recruiters. Now why do you want to turn this on? Because again, we are applying for a job and we want them to be able to access our resume right away. Now click done after uploading. And yep, that's basically how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to set up LinkedIn profile for job search. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.